stuck.
Come on, Luce. Now the other.
Can you help him with his arm?
Oh, he'll get it. There we go. See? Good job.
But that other arm is stuck.
He'll get it. You're silly.
It's a lot of work, huh?
Yeah. Don't
Good
you feel accomplished today? Wow.
He's like, actually, I feel kind of stuck right now.
You're so cute.
Can you help him with that arm, the arm that's stuck?
Do you need help?
Yeah, so he doesn't get frustrated. There we go. There we go. No, you push it under. There we go.
There.
There. Good boy. You're so big. Yeah.